Today we are talking about practice and mental prep for the show. Throughout this last week, we've now talked about how to get our makeup and our hair, all of our costumes all together and ready to go. We've talked about organizing our dance bags and getting our shoes prepped. But now we need to still get our mental A game on. Shows take on a different mindset sometimes, and I equate it to a roller coaster. You will have your rehearsal days where you feel super set, ready to go, and then you're going to have days that you are like, what just happened? Did I even learn this dance? And you're probably getting a million different corrections and you get frustrated. You'll come back again and you'll be like, yay, and it's not so bad, and you kind of mellow out. The dance seems to magically do this slow-mo thing, and all of a sudden you start feeling like the dance is kind of coming together. I also kind of find it interesting that there seems to be kind of this thing where if performers tend to have a really kind of scary, I would say, dress or tech rehearsal, the show usually kind of opens better. Now, this does not mean that we should be going out there doing our worst, but there seems to be some weird consistency in the fact that the better the dress rehearsals, usually the worse the show kind of starts, in which case then we spend that next show getting ready and working out those issues then, when we should have been doing that during dress rehearsals or tech rehearsals, whichever. So all of this kind of takes its toll on us mentally. One of the things that I encourage for our dancers is to sometimes take a break. Just like drilling a step over and over again is not really advantageous, sometimes practicing a dance over and over again is not advantageous. Sometimes if you give yourself a mental break and walk away just for like a day, don't even think about it at all, you may surprise yourself and come back even stronger. Sometimes if we overdwell on things, that's where more mistakes happen. And I see that a lot leading into performances because we overthink everything and we're overthinking all of the little details we have to get together. And I see dancers sometimes lash out about that instead of being more proactive in their approach and being more positive of mindset and figuring out sometimes you just need to stop. That is not meaning that you just give up on it. That's saying sometimes you just need to walk away for a hot second or a day, let your body recuperate, let your mind piece itself back together, come back to the table, and have your A game on. I want you to keep this in mind as you're practicing. Again, you always want to be practicing at home. You want to be able to practice when you're in class or rehearsals. But don't forget that it's okay if you need to give yourself a little mental once over before show. It'll keep you, I would say, a bit more sane when you are up on the stage, and just better self-control when you know that it's not always easy. Because again, this all takes a lot of work. So I hope this helps, and I will see you tomorrow.